What if I told you using Python you can build platforms like Netflix and Instagram? You can build something bigger in this world just by using Python programming language. Not just Instagram or Netflix, there are many other famous applications out there where you can see are actually powered and developed using Python. Python is not just for tech giants, it's for everyone. It's for you, it's for me, it's for everyone who want to learn Python and develop something new and to solve the real world problems according to the people needs. In the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you why Python is easiest and powerful programming language that you can use in your daily life and you can learn it today, and also how it can change your life. So let's get started. Okay, let's start simple. What exactly is Python? Well, I'm not talking about the snake, but I'm talking about the programming language. Python is a way of programming language that you can use to talk to the computer, to make computer to do some tasks just for you. Like, think of Python like a translator. Do you know computer language? No. Like, computer knows your language? No, right? So in order to talk to the computer, you need some language in between you and computer in order to understand the computer, what you wanna the computer to do for you. For that you need a language which is a high level programming language, and we have many sets of high level programming languages. In that, Python is one of the high level programming language where you can speak to the computer. Like, for example, as a boring task ever, like every time whenever you're learning any programming language, you want to print hello world badly, so you can just write a single line using Python. Just print open brackets hello world. This is important, so keep this in mind. What happens if you write that? So the computer will say hello to the world. You are actually saying the computer to do hello world, to say hello world. You did that. So computer is going to print that line, whatever you have wrote, it will run for you and it will show you the output. Actually, you wrote your very first programming language in just one single line. You have completed a program which is printing. You're saying computer to print something, to say something, and it is actually doing it for you. So that is the power of Python. It is very clear and very easy to understand. You just have to go through some syntax things, some basic rules. If you follow them, it will be very funny and simple to learn. Now let us understand why is Python very popular programming language. As I said before, it is very easy to read. If you know basic English, then Python is a very good choice for you so that you can learn more things in a very less time. Python is very easy to read, understand, and you can go through it and you can remember it, and you will understand how everything exactly works if you understand Python. Second thing is, it's everywhere. Python is everywhere. Using Python you can build desktop applications, you can build web applications, you can build AI tools, you can work with data using Python. In every domain there's something that you can use from Python. So Python is everywhere. It is compatible with every domain: web applications, desktop, AI, data analytics, and many more. And the third important thing, it is actually a good friend for beginners. That means it is beginner friendly. You can easily learn Python. You don't have to sit for months to complete the Python. I think it will take just some weeks to complete the basics of Python, and then you can jump into solving some coding problems. There you can gain some grip on those basics of Python, and then you are good to go to do a project kind of thing. So it is beginner friendly. Everyone can learn easily, everyone can implement it easily. So it is for everyone, as I said before. As a beginner, what can you do with Python? This can be a fun part for everyone. Everyone wanna know with Python what we can do. We can build many interesting applications, like you can build your own calculator, you can build a to-do application, you can automate tasks. For example, your folder is super messy, you can organize everything pretty well using Python. Yes, you can do that. And you can make simple games using Python, which is so fun. And not just these things, you can use it for the research, you can use it to check your analytics, so you can actually solve your many problems in your daily life just by writing few lines of code using Python. Not just these projects, there are many other projects, many other desktop applications that I have already built in my earlier videos. If you want, you can just go there and see what we can do using Python. We have many cool, interesting projects, and my favorite project is Pokédex. Then if you like Pokemon, then you might like that project. I'm gonna share the link in the description, and you can just go through it and you can do it will be fun for sure. How does Python work? Like, how exactly everything in the Python works? Think of it like a cooking. You write the recipe, Python is the chef, and your computer is the kitchen. I know this example is weird, but it's the best way to understand how Python exactly works. You are the one who will write the recipe, which is the program, the lines, like how everything exactly has to be done. So you are the creator, and Python is the chef. So Python will do everything for you. Whatever the instructions, the recipe that you give, it's going to make it work for you in the computer, which is the kitchen. I know it's funny. It is the best way to understand. So now you'll be thinking like, how can I get started with Python? How to begin with Python? What can I do with Python? Like, how to start writing my own code? I know you are very excited. All you have to do is, I'm gonna give you the link of the Python in the description. You can go there, go to the website, download it. It's better to use the latest version of the Python, and don't forget to set the file path while downloading it. You just have to check it, and you just have to download it. Here is a quick bonus